Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on and share a quick video of some cute ways on how I tie a scarf or how I like to wear my scarves. We have been straight bombing it for the past few weeks, you know, with the whole quarantine routine life or whatever. And I just wanted to show some cute little ways to change it up. You know, get you out of that bonnet, sis. Get you out of the bonnet. And we're just gonna get right into it. So I have a large rectangular scarf and I've tied it, or actually just met the ends on opposite sides and made a triangle. And so with the folded part, you're just gonna put the folded part over your forehead here, and I'm putting it over my eyebrows because my eyebrows not done. But anyway, you're just gonna do that, and then what you're gonna do is take the two sides and the two sides that you have in your hand. You should have them in your hand like this, and you're just gonna flip it to the back. So now that I have it, and then you're gonna pull it and pull it. You don't have to pull it super tight, but tight enough so it'll stay on your head. And what you can do is you can stop here with it and wear it like this. That's cute. Get a little extra going on. That's cute. Or you can flip it over to one side. Let it be one-sided. Or you can take it up one more notch, take it up some, and twist it one tie all the way down. As far as you can. And then what you're gonna do is take it across your forehead. And then tuck it in the back where you have it tied. In the back, tuck it. You can adjust it how you want. You can even leave it like this if you like. It's still cute. Have the one side hanging down, the tie in the front. Or you can take it up another notch and then twist the other side all the way. And you guys, I did my hair the other day and medium-sized twist. I had to do something with my hair. I couldn't keep looking the way I was looking. And you can take the other end and do the same thing right underneath it. Place it. And then all you do is tuck it in the back. Like so. And just and tuck any extras that's hanging out, sticking out. And you can do it and you can rock it like this. Like this is cute. Get you out of that bonnet, you know, go to the store, the only place we can really go. And you can still be cute or whatever. And you can, whether you have extensions or your bundles in, you know, you can still change it up and be cute. Whether you want to go and work out, this is something to help get your hair out of your way, out of your face, and you still You still look good. So let me know what you guys think. And that's it. All right, thanks.